Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel! Our easy recipe for today is timely to our cold weather nowadays. This is corn in coconut milk with oats or Ginataang Mais. Ginataang Mais is a Filipino sweet corn with glutinous rice. My recipe, I use rolled oats instead of sticky rice. This is simple and delicious dessert or snacks. If you want to learn how to make this simple creamy corn soup, please continue watching and I will show you how easy to make it. For the ingredients, 1 can of whole corn kernel, 1 can of Korean-style sweet corn, 1 can of coconut milk, 1 can of coconut cream or kakangata, half cup of sugar or you can also include the sugar upon serving, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 cup of rolled oats, 2 cups of water. Let's start by putting the coconut milk to the heated pan. Constantly stir, then add the rolled oats, then stir again. I added 2 cups of water when the mixture becomes too thick. When the coconut milk is already cooked, then add the whole corn kernel. Followed by the pinch of salt. To enhance the corn and creamy flavor, add the cream-style sweet corn. Then add the sugar. I added the sugar enough to give sweet flavor to the soup. Just serve this creamy corn soup with the sugar. Allow the soup to simmer but not to the boiling point to prevent from overflowing the mixture to the pan. And just keep stirring. And lastly, add the coconut cream to make the corn soup more creamier and yummy! Always cook the coconut milk or cream or any heavy cream on a low heat, otherwise your milk will be curdled or split. Just keep stirring the mixtures to prevent from overflowing. this ginataang mais is yummy! Okay, yummy! Hello, friends!
Hello, friends!
Welcome to my channel. I'm Vilma.
And I'm Don, her husband. Donnell, her husband.
And we're going to taste this delicious and creamy. Yum, yum, yum! Ginataang mais or coconut corn with coconut milk, and this time not the glutinous rice. I use the oatmeal. Okay, rolled oats. Okay. Let's eat na, Dondoy.
Dondoy.
Don.
It's really delicious, Vilma. This is really good. Corn.
It's good.
It's really good. It's different, but it's delicious.
I really cook the coconut.
Very, very delicious.
We need to cook the coconut milk. Good. Or else we're gonna have an upset stomach. That's why I cook this good.
Very delicious. If I was wearing a hat, I'd take my hat off to you, but I'm not wearing a hat, so.
Bola.
Ladies and gentlemen, whoever's watching this, you've got to make this. You have to make this. It's so
good.
Delicious.
And with the simple ingredients, only few. But if you're gonna use the raw corn, of course, it takes time.
Takes time. Yep. It hits the spot.
Good.
Very good. I love corn anyway in the first place. I love coconut. I love them both, even by itself. So
You can also serve this during Thanksgiving. Next week is a Thanksgiving week. Corn soup, dessert.
Okay, thanks for watching.
And happy holidays.
Thanksgiving.
Okay, bye-bye. Honey, say goodbye na to the audience.
Goodbye to whoever's watching this. You don't know what.
Thanks for watching.
Well,